Alright, another beautiful sunny day here in California. The forecast is for beautiful weather coming up, possibly even in the 80s by next weekend. However, they're redoing the forecast and it looks like they're bringing that temperature down into the mid-70s. Now the problem with that is that the Sierra snowpack is completely full. We have record snow in the Sierra Mountain. And if there's a sudden warm-up, will all that snow start to melt suddenly and cause floods down in the Central Valley? Since we still have a major flood going in the Central Valley right now anyway, we'll just add to it. This flood takes place every year that it rains hard here in California. There's nothing built there. It's just a big batch of farmlands that floods every year. In the Midwest here in the U.S., there's another tornado came down yesterday, killed one person. Today looks like on the East Coast there's going to be more severe weather. They're blaming it on El Nino, but El Nino's gone. I looked it up yesterday and got an update on it, and La Nina is gone, but El Nino is coming on. And but it doesn't look like it's coming on as fast as it was. Looks like it may have even backed off a bit. So maybe we'll have a more neutral summer this year instead of a El Nino La Nina situation. Let's hope so. We don't need the heat. So we'll find out by next week what happens here in California. Let's go up here and do another video. Okay guys, as of yesterday, we started talking about what we can do about climate change through our personal habits. And we talked about meat and all the problems with meat and how it causes so much climate change. Well, there's one other nice thing that I particularly like is cheese. But that also is right there up with meat. Not quite as bad, but it's up there. Got a lot of figures on cheese and what that all has going on. Global cheese market was valued at over $77.6 billion in 2021. The cheese market is forecast to reach over $113 billion by 2027. Germany and the Netherlands are the top exporters of cheese worldwide. Germany and the Netherlands exported $4 billion worth of cheese in 2021. Europe eats the most cheese per capita. The US and Canada are in second and third place. For cheese consumption, eating a serving of cheese 30 grams or enough to cover 2 crackers 3 to 5 times a week for a year would generate 201 kilograms of greenhouse gases. That's the equivalent of driving a car 514 miles. So it's not as bad as meat, but it still has consequences. Cheese consumption uses 47,259 liters of water, enough for 727 8-minute showers for one person. In comparison, just one burger is highly water intensive, using 26 showers of water for one hamburger. All animal agriculture uses approximately 83% of the world's farmland. 83% of the world's farmland. Let that sink in. These animal products only provide 37% of our protein and 18% of our calories per person. Dairy farming is a major source of nitrous oxide, a greenhouse gas with a global warming potential 265 to 298 times greater than CO2. Animal agriculture generates 4.5 million tons of nitrous oxide per year. That's just some of the statistics on cheese and animal products. Over the last couple videos, I hope we've understood that animal agriculture is very, very bad for the planet. It's as bad as oil consumption. It causes a ton of CO2, nitrous oxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases. Very cold and windy out today, 46 degrees, and there's a heavy wind blowing today, which is supposed to end tonight. So, with that, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on with animal agriculture, and we'll end this video series today. You won't have to listen to me drag on about animal agriculture anymore. It's just something that you know about, and that sometimes you can curtail your animal consumption, whether it be cheese or meat or dairy or whatever it is, and help our planet out a little bit with the upcoming climate change and the melting of the Arctic and the Antarctic and Greenland ice sheet. All that's coming, including more vicious tornadoes and hurricanes and severe storms, more straight line winds which cause more turbulence in the air, which makes your plane flight much more uncomfortable. So with that, I appreciate any comments you guys have, the ups and the new subscribers. And until next time.